Hello, I'm Advocate Zahra, and today I'll tell you what to do if the police stop you. This is important because knowing your rights keeps you safe and confident. Firstly, stay calm and polite. If a police officer stops you, don't panic. Stay calm. Always be polite. Never argue or act aggressively. Respectful behavior makes the situation easier. Secondly, ask the reason. You have the right to ask, "Why have you stopped me?" The police must give you a reason. It could be for checking documents, suspicion, or routine security. Thirdly, show identification if asked. If asked, you can show your CNIC or driving license. This is normal, but remember, no officer can take your ID card permanently, they can only check it, and you have certain rights during search. If the police want to search you, your car, or your bag, they must have a valid reason. And if you are a woman, only a lady police officer is allowed to search you. And, if asked to go to the police station. If the police ask you to come to the station, you should ask, "Am I being arrested?" If yes, under which law? If you are arrested, they must tell you the charge and present you before a magistrate within 24 hours. That's your constitutional right. Lastly, always remember, stay calm. Be respectful, ask questions politely, and know your rights, because an informed citizen is a safe citizen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Advocate Zahra for more legal awareness. And remember, knowledge is power.